welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can get rid of the flat tire indicator or the TPMS indicator. This indicator over here of a Mercedes E Class 2016 model. This is a W213 model, and I'm going to show you I can get rid of that. When I drive the car, this indicator keeps popping up, and I'm going to show you how to lose that. First of all, turn or press the ignition on to the second position. All the indicators must go on. Then press the home button once, this button over here. Then scroll to the right or to the left to find surface. Yes, once we have found that, press this button. Then scroll down to tire pressure. Press that button again. You have an indicator over here that says, let me see, with an arrow down. Scroll down. Once you have done that, press this button once again, and now it says the tire pressure monitor has restarted. And do the check. So ignition off and on again, and then you'll see that the indicator for the flat tire is gone. Go back by pressing the return or the home button, and then you can check the tire pressure again if you like. That was it for this video. I want to thank you taking your time watching our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.